In this video, we look at Promptly app templates. On Promptly, depending on what you're trying to do, you may need to configure one or more process a certain way using certain prompts. Using app templates is the fastest way to build apps on Promptly. They provide you with pre-built apps for specific use cases while allowing you to tweak the behavior. At the same time, you also get access to the app editor where you can change the app logic entirely. Now let's take a look at a few app templates. App templates can be found on the apps page, grouped together by categories. If you want to build an app from scratch, use the blank category and pick a blank template and build your app. You'll be able to configure the process that you want in the app and then configure the output that you want to show to the user. For this example, I'm going to use a language translator template, which is a web application. And in order to build an app from a template, simply click on the template and give it a name and fill the template. So just give it a name and click on create app, and it will create an instance of the template and it will give you the fields that you want to fill. So you don't have to like fill the process prompts and everything. The prompt and everything else that's needed for the app to work, they're all filled here. All I have to do is only fill these fields so that I can tweak the behavior of this app. Because it's a language translator app, the template itself takes input language and output language. So when we publish the app, the input language and output language is already filled in for the user. So let's say I'll say English and then output language is Spanish. In this template only has one page that I need to fill. Some templates may have a multi-step template where you'll have to fill two or three steps in order to save the app. So in this case, I've already filled the only page that's there, and I'm going to like save the app. So this is my first version. I'm going to save it as first version. I could have also saved it as a draft. Because I've saved the app, now I'll be able to like test the app using the preview button. So if I go to preview, like I said, the input and output are pre-filled. So I can just say, because it's a web app, it's rendering a form for me. And that's it. I can go ahead and publish the app. And this allows anyone to access the app from an external endpoint. That's it. This is how easy it is to build apps using templates from Promptly.